This quick start guide covers the essentials of conducting a remote online notarization session. Let's get started. From your admin dashboard, open the Online Notary Queue and select a session. The system will check your camera and microphone. Make sure no other apps are using them. Click Continue to Session, then acknowledge the regulatory notice and attest that you're physically located in your home state. The session has three main areas. On the left, video conference and text chat. Only you can start or stop the video. In the center, participant status showing who's connected and their verification status. On the bottom, the document panel, where you'll manage files. Participants requiring authentication must pass two checks, third-party KBA and ID capture, then your live verification. Click the ID button. Have the signer hold up their physical ID on camera and compare it to the captured images. Confirm when they match. Switch to Signing View to work on documents. Use Add Signing Flag to mark where participants should sign. Each document needs at least one participant signature, your notary signature, and your seal. Use the toolbar to apply these elements. When finished, click Complete Session. Select which documents to finalize and complete the required journal entry. The customer will receive an email when their notarized documents are ready for download. Remember, video conference is mandatory. Verify all IDs live, complete your journal entry, and always attest to your location. For the full training, watch our complete module series. Thanks for watching. You're ready to begin.